Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy McFinance, and welcome to yet again another weekly market overview. So today, guys, as usual, we're gonna be looking at US30, Nasdaq, and gold. So yeah, if it's your first time on this channel, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on that notification bell. And without any further waste of time, let's get into it. Okay, guys, so we have US30 on the daily time frame. So far, I can see that we have the sensitive level around this area. I'm just gonna mark it around here. So that is our sensitive level. The reason why I say that is because the market bounced here, started going up, and it bounced here, and we moved to the upside, right? So from here, now that we see that we're looking for buys, we're gonna go over to a 4-hour time frame. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, I can see that we have a beautiful pattern right here. Okay, then we have another one from here to there. Okay, I'm just gonna adjust it a little bit. Okay, so right here we have our first touch, second touch, third touch, looking to make the fourth touch and break the structure and come to our 90% rule. Okay, and then right here we have our first touch, second touch, third touch, and we were testing this sensitive level. So this was a valid structure to go to the upside. Okay, and another thing, guys, I can see that over here we have another sensitive level. Okay, let me just use my rectangle tool to identify this area. So you can see, guys, that like the market, once it bounced here, started moving up, and then once it bounced here, started moving up. So we back again on this level. So this might be seen as a retest, and then now you might be looking to go all the way to the upside, right? And then if you guys know your reversals, you'll see that this is a head and shoulder pattern, inverse head and shoulder pattern. So this is the left shoulder, right? And then this is the head, and then this is the right shoulder, something like this. So now we're looking to move to go to the upside with US30. Okay, and then another thing, guys, you can see that we have a structure right here, just like that. And then if you can see, we have our first touch here, second touch, and then the market broke, came back to retest our level and retested that sensitive level that I just showed you guys, and we have a head and shoulder pattern. So we have multiple confirmations that are showing us or giving us reasons that we are looking to bounce back and go to the upside. Okay, so that is it, guys, for US30. We are going to move over to gold. And yo, guys, gold really moved. I've never seen something like this in a very long time on gold. Yo, it really bad, guys. So we're just gonna go to the daily time frame and start from there. On the daily time frame, you can see that we had a very sensitive level around this area, something similar to US30. Okay, and then if I can zoom in, you'll see that we also had a pattern like this. Okay, and we broke that pattern. So we have our first touch here, second touch, then the market broke. So now we'll be looking for a correction pattern, but I also want to show you guys the other trend line around this area, something like that. Okay, so we had our first touch, second touch, third touch, and our fourth touch right here. So this is a valid descending type structure. So this was an impulse, correction, or continuation pattern. So now we might be looking to move over to the upside, which we can have our take profits around our 90% rule right there. Okay, so what we can expect on gold, guys, is something like this: impulse, then a correction, something like that, and then move all the way to the upside. Okay, so we're gonna go over to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so the 4 hour time frame, we can also look for the same thing, guys, like just um an impulse and then correction, something like that. And then that's when we can also look for buying buying positions, something like that. And then we take our buy um, positions right here. Once the market breaks, then I'll take profit levels all the way to the upside, right? Let me just adjust this. Okay, yeah, then I'll take profit all the way to the upside. This is a 1:6.89 risk to reward ratio, which is amazing, guys. So yeah, we're gonna go over to Nasdaq right now. And yeah, let's move over to the daily time frame. Okay, this is a very clean structure. So we had an impulse, now we having a correction, something like this. So now we're looking to move all the way to the upside, right? Okay, so we're gonna identify our pattern right here. We have our first touch, second touch, and third touch around this level. Then we identify our resistance trend line. We have the first touch, second touch, third touch, and the fourth touch, right? So right here you can see, guys, like the market, once it bounces here, goes up, touches here, goes up, touches here, goes up, right? Same as right here. Once it touches here, goes down, touches here, goes down, touches here, goes down. So over here we can also look for the market to go down, but we need to be careful because we had multiple touches. So the more touches we have, the more the high possibility that the market can break here and go to the upside. And another thing, guys, if you can look right here, we had a very sensitive level right here. So the market touched here, went to the downside, touched here, went to the downside, and then so like the market actually broke that level. So now we might be actually coming for a retest, then shoot to the upside, right? So we might be coming for a retest on that level. Now we're gonna go over to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we don't have much to see. It's just that like we can expect a retest around this level, and then that's when we can start buying the market. Just for clearance, I'm gonna go to the 1-hour time frame. So yeah, on the 1-hour time frame, guys, you can see that we have some type of descending structure that we are forming, something like this, and then we have another one like this. Okay, the market doing something like this, boom, boom, and then go to the upside. Let me just show you guys another one that I am actually seeing. We have this pattern right here, clean, and we have our first touch here, second touch, third touch. The market broke, gave us a correction, and then went to the downside. So we can actually have another correction right here. Actually, let me show you guys with the trend lines. So right here we had this correction right here, like that, right? And then we can actually have another correction, then go to the downside, touch our zone, and then go to the upside, right? Which makes sense because now we are building this type of structure right here, this downtrend. But I don't want to confuse you guys, so yeah, we can actually have some short-term sells on Nasdaq, something like this. You can have some short-term sells, then go to the downside, but the overall momentum or the overall movement is to go to the upside, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for Nasdaq to touch or to hop into that level, and then that's when we're gonna look for buying momentum, just like on US30, right? So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this weekly market overview. If you haven't subscribed, make sure that you do, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.